Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to talk about a problem which we always say that I can write English but I can't speak English. I can listen English, I can understand English but I can't speak fluent English. So I'm going to talk about that problem, why you feel this type of problem in this video. So just stay tuned till end. And before moving ahead, I want to tell you only one thing. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload my videos. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is Rachna4290. I keep posting daily used sentences and word meanings there. So let's get started. you know we can write English, we can read English, we can understand English, but we are not able to speak English. Okay, I get to know about many people, they always means keep telling that I can understand English but I'm not able to speak English. How will I resolve this problem of mine? So today, if you will watch this video, you are gonna learn, you're gonna get a solution. How will you improve this problem of yours? Okay, so let's get started. Why is this is because speaking is a skill fundamentally different from reading and writing. Okay, it's a skill which you need to learn. Okay, and this will come only because of your practice. Okay, as much as you will practice, you will improve day by day. Okay, so therefore, if you have been reading and writing English and not speaking, but at that time you will feel, you will struggle while speaking. Okay, because you're reading and writing English but you're not speaking at all, so you will struggle while speaking. So must speak. Okay, as much as you can, must speak. Just speak out whatever you have. Okay, let's I'm giving you an example. There is a person who can read English, write English, most importantly he can understand English. Web articles or magazine or English newspaper, he can understand each and everything in English. Okay, and the most important thing is he can follow all things, means TV series or serials or movies in English. He can understand each and everything, but when a time comes when he's to speak English, he comes a cropper. Okay, he faces difficulties while speaking English. Why? Because he is not in the habit of speaking too much. Okay, so this is a common problem which people always means face this kind of problem while speaking. Okay, so this is the problem. And most important thing is people have these kind of difficulties is because they tend to focus too much on grammar and they draw parallel with their mother tongue. Okay, and you know most important thing is you have to speak and speak a lot, then only you will be able to speak English. Okay, and if you feel anxious while speaking English, if you get nervous while speaking English, just try to remove all these hesitations or problems of yours. Okay, then only you will be able to speak fluent English. If you feel this way too, it's okay, it's not your fault. The good news is you will improve it. If you keep practicing it, you will definitely improve it. Okay, as an English learner, you have spent a great deal of time and effort in order to be able to understand the English language, be it practicing grammar, vocabulary, idioms. Practice just as much if not more. Means I'm not telling you to give more and more time for practicing, but means as much as you can give time for your practicing. Okay, um, and one thing you need to remember, that having difficulty communicating in English isn't because your abilities are inferior to others. Okay, somehow inferior to others. You Main thing is you haven't spent much time for your practice. That's why you are not able to speak English. You need to give more and more time for your practice. Okay, then only you will be able to speak it. And the one and there is only a way for improving your speaking English, to practice a lot, speaking a lot, practice a lot. Okay, just this is the problem which you can resolve only by practicing, only by speaking a lot. Okay, if you dedicate most of your time in your speaking, you will feel that you are improving day by day. You are able to speak in front of anybody. You are means removing, you're decreasing your hesitation. You are now confident. You will be means confident more, and you will be able to speak in front of anybody appropriately, you know. So this is the only way you have to speak, and speak a lot more than reading and writing. But reading and writing is also important things, but means if you want to learn or if you want to speak English, then you have to speak it a lot. Okay, just means practice in front of the mirror. Just stand in front of the mirror and say any dialogue. Okay, say any means just imagine that somebody is standing in front of you and you're talking to him or her. Okay, just feel in this way and just talk in this way, then only you will be able to speak English. Okay, and yeah, keep practicing. And this is that's it for today. And if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload my videos. Thank you.